When routine bites hard and ambitions are low, when resentment rides high but emotions won't grow, and we're changing our ways, taking different roads, then love will tear us apart again. Why is this bedroom so cold, turned away on your side? Is my timing that flawed? Our respect runs so dry, yet there's still this appeal that we've kept through our lives, that love will tear us apart, that love will tear us apart again. Cry out in your sleep, all my failings exposed, get a taste in my mouth as desperation takes hold. Was it something so good, just can't function no more? Now love will tear us apart. Now that love will tear us apart. Now that love will tear us apart again. Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes in her own special way. To the people she goes, come by my bags full of cries, come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. And their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare, all it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she sells her ware. Although you can't see her, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen Tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Thank you very much.